Good morning, parents, and good morning, students. How are you? Fine? Yes. Can you tell me in last lecture what we studied? Yes. In last lecture of maths, we studied about the sorting by shapes and colors, right? Okay. Then, can you tell me which color it is? Yes. Which color it is? Yes. This is a yellow color. Very good. And which shape is this? Which shape is this? A rectangle, right? Rectangle. Okay. Yes. In last two lectures, we studied about the sorting by shapes and the colors. Today, we are going to learn about the sorting by big and small by size, right? Okay. Then, can you tell me which circle is big and which circle is small? Yes. This one is small or a big? Yes. This one is small or this one is big, right? This one is small. Okay. This circle is small and this circle is big, right? And here, two objects are there. Watermelon and what is this? Strawberry. You like all the fruits, right? Which fruit is big and which fruit is small? Yes, watermelon is big or a strawberry is big. Yes. Can you tell me about this? Okay, who is going to tell me? Yes, I'm unmuting one person. You have to tell me which one is small and which one is big. Okay. Yes, Anshum. Anshum Saban. Unmute yourself. Yes. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Yes. Tell me, watermelon is big or a strawberry is big?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Very good. Clap for yourself and mute yourself. Okay. Then
Thank
next, who is going to tell me? Yes. Thank you. Yes, Ishan. Ishan Gavde. Yes, tell me. Yes. Between this,
you.
Ishan. Yes. Good morning.
माझे नाही
मला माहिती ना.
Which one?
थांब ना ईशान थांब ना हा हा झालं बोल
Yes, Ishan.
Good morning, teacher.
Yes. Grapes is big or a tomato is big. Which one is big?
काय आहे? ते सांग
Tomato.
Tomato is small. Grapes is big. बड़ा है ना? है ना?
Yes.
Yes. And between the watermelon and this, which one is big?
Yeah.
Watermelon.
Yes.
Yes. And this is small, right?
Small.
This is small. Like this. Yes. Thank you. Now mute yourself. Now, in this way, you have to tell me about the shapes, okay? Sorting by shapes. Today we are going to learn about the sorting by shapes, okay? Then, how you can sort any object by the shapes. आप कैसे आप कोई भी object को different अलग-अलग कर सकते हो shapes के through, right? In your house also, so many things are there. Some are big and some are small, right? आपके घर में भी होगा ना बहुत सारी चीजें जो कुछ big होंगे और कुछ small होंगे, right? So today we are going to learn about the sorting by sizes, right? So sorting by size, okay? Yes. Here are some objects which is small in size, which is small in size, right? आपको ये दिख रहा है ना कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट है यहाँ पे जो बहुत ही छोटे होते हैं, small. This is small in size. What is this? Apple. Apple is small in size, right? Apple is small. Apple. And what is this? Frog. Frog is also small in size, right? And what is this? erasers, right? Eraser. तो eraser भी small होता है ना? Okay. This is also small in size. And what the next? Hen. H for hen. Hen also small in size. Okay. Hen. This is hen. This is also small. And what is next? C for cat. Cat also small, right? Cat animal is a small animal. Okay. And what is this? This is a pen. Pen also small in size. And what is this? Squirrel. S for squirrel. Squirrel भी देखो पेड़ पे दिखता है ना, छोटा ही रहता है, right? This is also small. And what is next? B for butterfly. Butterfly. Butterfly big होता है क्या? Big होता है? No. This is also small, right? This is also small. Like this, in your house, so many objects are there which is small in size, like pencil, erasers, or glass. Small glass is also small. Okay. And plates are big in size. Okay, compared to the glasses. Now, this is a big size images. Big size. आप स्कूल को जाते थे तभी बस से जाते थे ना, तो आपका क्या होता था? बस क्या है? Big in size. Bus is a big vehicle, right? This is a big vehicle. And elephant. Elephant is a big or a small? Big, right? Elephant is a big animal because he is so big, right? And what about the cupboard? Here is a cupboard. Cupboard क्या होता है? बड़ा होता है ना? This is also big in size, right? And what about the zebra? Zebra is also big? Yes? Okay, yes. And what is the next one? Watermelon, which I showed before, okay? This is also big size, okay, right? And everyone have sofa in your house, right? Sofa क्या होता है? Big होता है ना compared to the chair, right? Chair is a small, but sofa is a big in size, okay? Yes. Clear to all up to this? Yes. Then we will go with the next one. Here I will unmute one by one, and you have to, what you have to do here, you have to match big animal to the small animals, right? आपको same picture दिख रहा है ना? Same animals है, but एक side में क्या है? Big animal है, big picture दिया हुआ है, और उसी animal का वहाँ पे small picture दिया हुआ है, right? Then who is going to tell me the what is big and what is small? I am starting from the Y letter, from the downside. Yes, Yuvraj, Yashi, Yash, Savan. Unmute yourself. And Vignesh.
Teacher.
Good morning. Yes, Vignesh also unmute yourself. Okay.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Yes, here some pictures are given, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, and you have to, what you have to do, you have to match with the small picture, right? वो elephant का small picture कहाँ पे है? Where it is?
Fourth
This
number.
one?
No.
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 This one?
No.
No. No.
Then tell me the number. 1, 2,
4.
3.
3. 4.
Yes, very good. 4. Fourth number is the same animal, right? This is same picture, right? But this picture is big and this picture is small, right? Okay.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, very good. And
Thank you.
unmute yourself. This is a start for you all. Welcome. Welcome. Unmute yourself. Then I will go with the next one. Yes, it's Veer. Ved. Veer Suryavanshi. Ved Dubey. Unmute yourself. Tavisha.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. And Tarunika.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Kavisha, unmute yourself, and Veer also unmute yourself. Click on the microphone button. Yes.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Yes. Here, what is this? ये elephant है.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Okay. Kangaroo. Where is a small kangaroo? Small picture कहाँ है kangaroo का?
First
First.
First
Yes.
one.
Very good. First one is a kangaroo. Very good. This one is a kangaroo. Very good. This is a star for you all.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Yourself. Then,
Teacher.
bye everyone. Then, Swayam, Swastik, Swarali, and Swara. Unmute yourself. Swayam, Swarali, Swastik. Yes.
Good morning, teacher.
Yes, tell me.
Morning, teacher.
Morning. What is the next one? Which picture is this?
Monkey. Monkey.
Monkey. But this monkey is big. Where is the small monkey?
It's a small monkey which has
Last number.
Last one. Very good.
last number
Yes, this one is a small one. Very good.
last number monkey last है ना छोटा ठीक है टीचर स्टार
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome.
So, teacher.
Unmute yourself. Mute all. Yes. Now, who is going to tell me the next? Siddharth Kuril, Shubdip Maske, Samarth Kute, and Samarth Tiwari. Both the Samarth. Unmute yourself. Siddharth also unmute yourself. Good morning. Yes, tell me what is this?
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. What is this?
Morning, teacher.
Lion. Very good. This is a big lion, but second, yes. Yes. Yes, yes. Very good. This is a star for you.
Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher. Thank you.
Welcome. Mute yourself all. Now, yes, mute yourself. Now, who is going to tell me the next one? Yes, after S letter. Yes, S letter, Sai is remaining. Sai, Rugved,
Good morning, teacher.
and Rudrani. Yes, Sai, Rugved, and Rudrani. Yes, tell me, which animal is this? Which animal is this? Giraffe. Where is the small giraffe? Third number. Very good. Third number. Very good. It's a star for you all.
माझ्याकडे काय बघते
Yes.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Don't raise hand, parents. It's very difficult to click any tools. Okay? Yes. Please don't raise hand. And don't chat also. Yes. Now, the next one is short the big animal and circle it. Here, you have to circle the big animal. Which animal is big in size? You have to circle it. Then, who is going to tell me which animal is big and which one is small? Where we have to circle it. Okay? Yes. After Rudrani is Riya, Riyansh, and Riddhi Pandey.
Morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Here some animals are given. Which animal is big in size?
Dolphin.
ये big है ना?
No.
तो फिर ये big है ना? Yes.
No.
Then
Dolphin.
yes, dolphin. Very good. And what is next? This is also big.
Yes.
Yes. And this is also big, na?
Cow.
This is also,
Yes.
duck is also big.
No.
Then
No.
dolphin is big and cow is
Yes.
big.
Dolphin. Cow.
Yes.
Zebra.
Yes, zebra. Very good. And pig. Right?
Pig.
Yes. Very
Yes.
good. This is a star for you all. This is the big animals. Okay.
Bye, teacher.
Welcome. Unmute yourself. Like this, you can make some worksheet or keep the things behind your child and tell them to shorting. Yes, tell them to short the big object and the small object. Okay, like this we can take a practice of big and small. Okay, what is the next one? Identify the small images and cross it here. आपको छोटे जो इमेजेस है, छोटे साइज में जो रहते हैं, उसको आपको क्या करना है? क्रॉस करना है. ठीक है, you have to cross it, right? Who is going to tell me the next one? Yes. Yes, after Riddhi, yes. Rajvi, Priyansh, Parul, unmute yourself. Rajvi,
Good
Riyan.
morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
Yes, Priyansh, unmute yourself.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Yes, tell me here, which is a small one? कौन सा छोटा होता है? कार छोटा होता है क्या?
No.
No. Then
No. No.
ये छोटा होता है ना? ट्रक.
No. Yes.
Chair.
Yes.
Chair. Then this is a small one.
Yes. Yes.
And और कौन सा होता है? कैट भी छोटा होता है ना?
Yes.
Yes. Cat is also small one. And ये भी छोटा है ना? This one is also small?
Spoon. No.
No.
Spoon.
Spoon. Yes, very good. Spoon is also small. Chair, cat, and spoon. Yes, rabbit is also small. Very good. Very good. This is a star for you.
Thank you,
You
teacher.
have given the right answer. Yes. Very good. Mute
Teacher.
yourself. Welcome.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Mute yourself. Okay. Now, what is the next one? Sort the objects by their size. Match the object to the correct basket by drawing the line. Right? आपको यहाँ पे 2 baskets दिख रहे हैं ना? This one is a big. Big and small. आपको S का sound पता है ना? S for small and B for big. Right? Here, you have to match to that basket. Which object is big and which one is small. आपको small जो object है वो small से match करना है और जो big object है उसको big से match करना है. Okay? Yes. Now, who is going to tell me the next one? Yes, from the P letter is Parisa, Parinita, Pari. Yes, Parisa, Parinita, and Pari. Yes. Parinita.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, beta. Yes.
Good
Now-
morning, teacher.
Good morning. Yes, tell me which one is big. First, you can tell me the big one, right? आपको big object बताना है. Then I will match to the big one. Okay? Yes. Apple is big.
Cupboard. No.
Yes. Cupboard is big. Very good. And any other object?
Big.
Pencil भी big है ना? Pencil भी big है ना?
नहीं.
Nahi.
No.
No.
Then
Fridge.
fridge. Yes, very good. Fridge is big. And over?
Finish.
Yes.
Finish.
And which one is small?
Finish.
Finish.
Yes, very good. And which one is small?
Apple.
Remaining objects are small. Yes, the remaining objects are matched to the small basket, right?
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
This is a star for you all.
Big.
Yes.
Big.
Okay. Yes, very good. Very good, Pari. Very good, Parinita. Yes, mute yourself. Okay. Now, who is going to tell me the next one, next worksheet? Okay. I will draw something on the whiteboard and you have to recognize that which one is big and which one is small. Okay. I will draw something on the whiteboard. Okay. Yes. Here. Yes. I will drawing something and you have to tell me which one is big and which one is small. Okay. Yes. Who is going to tell me the next one? Which one is big and which one is small? Yes. I will unmute yourself. Okay. O. O letter. Om. Both the Oms. Unmute yourself. Om Bangar and Om Sharma. And N letter. Neet and Nihar. Yes. Unmute yourself. Nihar.
Teacher.
Good morning. Yes, tell me. I had brought something here.
Teacher.
Good morning. Yes. Can you tell me which tree is big and which one is small?
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
Which
Yes.
one?
Which one is big?
One number is big.
Yes, one number is big. Yes,
Small.
one number is big. And two number is small. Yes. Mute yourself.
Big, small.
Yes.
Thank you,
Yes.
teacher.
Welcome. This is a star for you
Thank
all.
you, teacher.
Welcome.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Now, the next one, who is going to tell me? Yes, mute yourself all. Okay. From the M letter, Meha Singh and both the Kritika. Yes, Kritika Singh and Kritika Trimukhe and Kanak. Unmute yourself, Kritika. And Kanak also. Good morning. Yes, Kanak, unmute yourself. Yes. Okay.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes. Can you tell me? I will draw something here. You have to tell me which one is big and which one is small, right?
Okay.
What is this?
Apple.
Apple, right? And this is also an apple. Then which apple is big? This one or this one? One number big hai? Yes, one number is small, S for small. And second number is big, B for big, right? Yes, this is a star for you all.
Thank you.
Welcome. Now, who is going to tell me the next one? Yes. Mute yourself.
सुनना चल बाय.
Okay, after the K letter, it's a J. Yes, J for Jatin and Riyan. Jadhav Riyan.
Morning, teacher.
Good morning. And Ishan.
Hello.
Harsh.
Morning, teacher.
Good morning. Harsh, unmute yourself. Yes, Harsh, unmute yourself.
Hello. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Yes, I will draw something here. You have to tell me which one is big and which one is small. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Yes. What is this?
Candle.
Candle, right?
Candle is
Candle. And first number is big or second number is big?
First number is big. First number. First number.
Yes. This one is big one and this one is small. Yes, very good.
Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher.
This is a star for you.
Thank you, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Thank you, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Welcome. Mute yourself all.
नाही उद्या संध्याकाळी
Okay. Now, who is going to tell me the next one? After the H, it's the time for D. All the D letters, unmute yourself. Divit, Isha, Bhumika, and Devansh. Unmute yourself. Good morning all.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Big candle, small candle.
Yes. This is a pencil. ये pencil है ना?
Yes.
और ये क्या है? Square. Right? तो आपको बताना है. You have to tell me which pencil is small. Which pencil is small? First one or second one?
Two number.
Right. This one is small. Yes. S for small. S for small. Yes.
So, M.
Right. And which square is big? Very big. This one or this one? Yes, one number is big and this one is small. Yes, very good. This is a star for you all.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Now, mute yourself all. Mute yourself. Now it's time for A letter. Sorry, B letter is there. Bhumika, Ayush, Aryan,
Yes, teacher.
unmute yourself, and Arnav. Yes, Arnav.
Good morning, teacher.
Yes, good morning.
Morning, teacher.
Good morning. Now it's time for an activity. Now open your cameras also.
Good morning,
Camera.
teacher.
Good morning. On your camera, show me one small object. You have to show me one small object. All of you, show me one small object from your surrounding. आसपास में कुछ भी small object होगा ना? आप लोग दिखाइए. Yes, show me the small object.
Teacher, this is a eraser.
Yes, very good. And tell me the name also. Yes. Yes, Fabicol. Very good, Bhumika. And yes. Tell me the name.
Eraser का संकेत.
No, object name. Yes, object name. Very good. It's a eraser. Very good. Eraser is a small one. Yes.
Yeah.
This is inhaler.
Very good all. Clap for yourself all. Eraser, water bottle. Yes.
Thank you,
Just
teacher.
welcome. Mute yourself all. Yes. Yes, Ayush, mute yourself. Okay. Now, who will be the next one is Arya Shurivanshi, Arpit Vishwakarma. Yes, Arpit.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Archit.
Arpit.
Archit also. Unmute yourself, Archit. Yes.
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Now,
Good morning, teacher.
good morning. You have to recognize and tell me the name. Okay. मैं आपको ऑब्जेक्ट दिखा रही हूँ, ठीक है? आपको बताना है कि स्मॉल कौन सा है और बिग कौन सा है, ठीक है? वाटरमेलन एंड द स्ट्रॉबेरी, ठीक है? यस, टेल मी.
Watermelon.
Watermelon, yes. This one is big one. Very good. And this one is strawberry क्या है?
Small. Small.
Small. Yes, strawberry is
Small.
small. And what is the? Yes, tell me the beginning letter. इसका beginning letter क्या होगा? Big का b big. You have to tell it like this.
Big.
And small.
Small.
Yes, very good. Clap for yourself all and mute yourself. Okay. Now, yes. Who will be the next one is from the A letter. It's time for Anvi. Anvi Padol. Anshu Palekar. Anisha. Unmute yourself. Anvi Padol, Anshu Palekar and Anisha. Yes.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
You have to show me any big object from your surrounding. आपको big बताना है. Big object कोई दिखाओ मुझे. Show me the big object. Yes.
This is a big object.
Yes. Tell me the name of the object.
Teddy.
Teddy. Yes. Very good. This is Teddy. Teddy is a big in size. Very good. And yes. Fan. Yes. Very good. Yes, tell me. Okay. And who will going to tell me the next one? आप लोग सब लोग yes. Yes. Okay. Very good. Now, very good all. Welcome. Anvi, you have showed me the object. Anvi Padol. Yes, tell me. Tell me the name. What? Yes. And between this, you have to recognize which eraser is big. Is red one or a white one? Which one is big in size?
No. Red.
Red. Yes. Red eraser is big in size. Very good. Means
White one.
yes. Now mute yourself all.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Okay. Now, who is remaining? It's yes. Who is remaining now is Anantagiri, Akshat Pal, Akshat Kamre, and Advait. Unmute yourself.
I go, Mama. Teacher.
Yes, tell me between this finger, आपको फिंगर दिखाना है. लिटिल फिंगर कहाँ पे है? स्मॉल फिंगर. Which finger is small? This one or this one? Which finger is small?
Sorry है.
असं स्मॉल दाखव टीचरला, असं दाखव टीचरला, असं दाखव. हा, असं दाखवायचं.
Yes, you have to show me. Yes, very good, Advait. This finger is small. Very good. Very good. And this one is big, right? Yes.
Big.
Very good, all.
Say thank you.
Now,
Thank you. Bye.
Akshat and Akshatpal, both the Akshat.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Yes, both the Akshat. Show me the small object. Small object दिखा. Small object. Any small object.
There and a big globe.
Yes. Show me the small object. Akshat.
There you go. Below small.
This is a small.
Yes, very good. Compass box is small in size. Very good. Now,
This is a big.
clap for yourself. Yes. It means you had understand the concept small and the big, sorting by big and the small size, right? Okay. Now mute yourself all. Akshat, both the Akshat, mute yourself. Okay. Now who is remaining? Yes. Aditi Saini, Aditi Rakshe, Arya Bangar, Ashri Bharti. Yes. Now,
Good morning, teacher.
between this, you have to recognize which one is small. Which one is small? Tomato or a watermelon.
आता है ना स्मॉल और बिग का तो कर तुझे आता है
Which one is small? Tomato or a watermelon? Tomato. Yes.
Big.
Yes, very good. Watermelon is big and tomato is small. Very good all. Now mute yourself.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Okay. Now who is remaining? Unmute yourself all. Arohi Tanpure, Aradhya Gaikwad, Aradhya Pandey,
Morning, teacher.
Anna Tripathi.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Morning, teacher. Good morning,
Adya Naik and Adya. Unmute yourself. Yes, Adya. Good morning all.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. I will draw something to you on the whiteboard and you have to tell me which one is big and which one is small. Okay? What is this? And what is this? So first ball,
Small.
yes. Which ball is big?
Small ball.
One number.
One number is big.
Yes, this one is
And
big.
number
Is big.
small.
Is small. Yes. Very good. Very good. Now, this is a star for you all. Okay? Yes.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Now,
Thank you, teacher.
yes.
Bye, teacher.